Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that's super important for overall health: digestion. Good digestion is the cornerstone of a healthy body and mind. Improving your digestion naturally can lead to amazing benefits like boosted energy levels, better nutrient absorption, and even a happier mood. Imagine feeling light and energetic throughout the day just by making a few simple changes. So, let's get into some top tips to keep your digestive system running smoothly. These tips are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can make a big difference. First up, stay hydrated. This might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked. Water is crucial for digestion because it helps break down food so that your body can absorb nutrients more efficiently. Without enough water, your body struggles to process food and absorb nutrients. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and if plain water isn't your thing, try herbal teas or adding a splash of lemon for flavor. Herbal teas like peppermint or ginger can also soothe your digestive tract. Next, let's talk about fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber is a powerhouse for your gut health. It not only helps with regular bowel movements, but also feeds the good bacteria in your gut. It adds bulk to your stool and helps food pass through your digestive system. This can prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut environment. Load up on fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Don't forget there are 2 types of fiber, soluble and insoluble, and both are important. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and helps lower blood cholesterol and glucose levels, while insoluble fiber helps food move through your digestive system. Chewing your food well is another simple but often overlooked tip. It's the first step in the digestive process. When you chew thoroughly, you break down food into smaller pieces, making it easier on your stomach and improving nutrient absorption. This also allows your saliva to start breaking down food, aiding digestion. Plus, it gives your brain time to signal that you're full, which can prevent overeating. Eating slowly and mindfully can enhance your overall eating experience. Now, let's not forget about probiotics. These beneficial bacteria are essential for a balanced gut. These are the good bacteria that live in your gut and help keep everything balanced. They play a crucial role in maintaining gut health and can even boost your immune system. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Including these in your diet can help maintain a healthy gut flora. A daily dose of these can work wonders for your digestion. Also, exercise regularly. Physical activity is not just good for your muscles and heart, it's great for your digestive system too. Physical activity helps keep food moving through your digestive system, reducing the risk of constipation. It stimulates the natural contraction of intestinal muscles. Even a brisk walk for 30 minutes a day can make a big difference. Last but not least, manage stress. Stress can have a significant impact on your digestive health. High stress levels can wreak havoc on your digestive system. Stress can lead to issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other digestive disorders. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even just taking time out for yourself can help relax your gut. Finding ways to manage stress can improve your overall digestive health. So, there you have it. These tips are simple yet effective. Stay hydrated, eat more fiber, chew your food well, incorporate probiotics, exercise regularly, and manage your stress. These habits can transform your digestive health. Implement these tips into your daily routine and you'll be well on your way to better digestion. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. See you next time. Take care and stay healthy.